What's the meaning of blighter? Blighter. Blighter.
Blighter. Blighter. Blighter is a derogatory term that refers to someone who is perceived as a nuisance or troublemaker. The word originated in British English slang during the early 20th century and was commonly used to refer to someone or something that caused annoyance or hindrance. The term has since fallen out of common usage, but it can still be found in some older literature and period pieces. In modern times, blighter may be used in a humorous or ironic way to describe someone or something that is causing mild frustration or inconvenience, but it is generally not considered a polite or respectful word.